Hello there. In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how to use Prezi camera or presenter in Airmeet. Let's get started. Let us talk about the prerequisites first. Go to prezi.com and get yourself an account. Once you have the Prezi account, go ahead and download the Prezi desktop app. Now open your Prezi app and log into it. Once you log into your Prezi app, you will be led to this area. Now, first thing first, you have the Prezi screen and the section where you can import your documents. Now, you can drag and drop your files from your computer to this section. Once you have uploaded your files, you can see your files out here. You can also change the view of the screen by using these layouts out here. And lastly, you can click on import to import more documents from your computer from different cloud apps, or you can also import images and stickers. So right now we are all set with the Prezi document. Now to set up the Prezi camera in Airmeet, you have to come back to the camera settings, which you can find on your lounge or on the stage as well. So now under the camera, click on this drop-down icon and select Prezi camera. Whatever presentation you have in Prezi camera is shown out here. Now click on join event to join with the Prezi camera. Let's say you want to use Prezi camera in the lounge. In that case, what you can do is simply join the table, find your audio video settings, and there you already have the Prezi camera on. Save it and then turn on your video. And there you have your Prezi camera set up. And lastly, the content streamed into Airmeet from Prezi camera has to be changed from Prezi app for it to show it on the Airmeet screen. So now you might have a question on how this content will be shown to the attendees. Will it be inverted like it is shown out here? Do not worry about it. The content in this section will be mirrored perfectly for the attendees who are viewing your presentation. Let me show it to you. So now I have joined the lounge as the other event participant. I'll click on this join button to join this table. And now as a table participant, I can view what is shown to me on the table and in the correct layout. If you want to view this content more clearly, then you can select one of the table layouts to view it correctly. I'm selecting this spotlight view. And there, the presenter's content is clear to me. That's all for today. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.